Hello, this is Marlene with WTI, and I'm super excited to show you this next product. This is actually a semi-casual dress from Anna-Kaci, and I have to say that I love every detail about this dress. I love the sleeves. They're like about a 3/4 length, and I love the detail of the crochet part on the sleeves and in the middle part of the dress. I love how breezy it is. It's a little bit see-through, but not too much. If you wear something skin color or you can wear an underdress, it will be perfect. And I love that it's not super long, but it's not super short. So that is really, really cool. And best of all, I don't like ironing. So I love that I don't actually have to iron this dress. So I washed it and I just went ahead and put it on a hanger to air dry, and look how it looks. It's perfect, right? I don't need to iron. I love the color too, so that is really, really cool. So if you are looking for a flowy dress, I will definitely recommend this dress from Anna-Kaci, but hey, that is just my point of view.